That was the easiest way to make a dumpling.
Good fun summer project. If you have little ones,
Yeah.
you can just make the open face dumplings together. All you have to do, just like you were turning the doorknob. There we go. It looks very nice. It looks very nice. Nice.
Very nice. Wow.
There we go.
That's like kind of.
No
I bet
boarding required.
Wow.
How nice.
I
And
bet
they
you
look
are
so cute with no efforts. So it can be a good fun summer project if you have little ones.
Yeah.
You can just make the open face dumplings together.
Yeah.
It's an edible Play-Doh.
Ready. I'm so ready. They look so yummy. Look at this. Wow. That was the easiest